Welcome to the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer tutorial for setting the wheel size. The tutorial video is part of a series to help you to use the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer. The wheel size is determined by short pressing the size button until the size wanted is shown. Short press the scan button to select the default wheel size in the display. The lift and wheel size blinking indicates the selection is stored. If a custom size is needed for the 19-inch, then long press the size button and the wheel will start turning. Please observe that the wheel is running smoothly and with no strange noise. In fact, there will be almost no noise, as you can hear. The need of a customized wheel size is only necessary if a very accurate balancing is needed. Even when the actual wheel size is plus-minus 10 degrees from the default, that will still give usable results. The custom size for the wheel will be stored until a new wheel size is selected, also without battery. When the wheel valve reaches the start position, short press the size or scan button. When the wheel size is flashing in the display, the size has been stored and selected. This completes the setting of the wheel size. Thank you for watching the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer tutorial for setting the wheel size.